The black swan, Cygnus atratus, is a large waterfowl species native to Australia, known for its striking appearance and graceful presence. Unlike most other swan species, which are white, the black swan's feathers are predominantly black, making it stand out in the avian world. The bird is known for its elongated neck, red bill, and white flight feathers, which are only visible when it spreads its wings. Its eyes are a deep red, adding to its dramatic appearance. Adult black swans typically grow between 110 to 140 centimeters, 43 to 55 inches, in length, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Males are generally slightly larger than females, though both sexes share similar plumage. The black swan's bill is bright red with a pale tip, distinguishing it from other swans. Their legs and feet are grayish-black, helping them blend into their natural wetland habitats. They have long, slender necks which they often arch gracefully while swimming, adding to their majestic appearance. Black swans are native to Australia, though they have been introduced to other regions, such as New Zealand and parts of Europe. They thrive in wetlands, lakes, rivers, and estuaries, and they prefer habitats with abundant aquatic vegetation. These swans are highly adaptable and can live in a variety of water environments, including man-made lakes and urban parks. The birds are mostly sedentary, but some populations may migrate locally in response to droughts or changes in food availability. Black swans are known to travel great distances in search of suitable water bodies during dry spells. Black swans are primarily herbivores, with their diet consisting mostly of aquatic plants. They feed by dabbling, reaching down to pull up plant matter from beneath the water's surface. Their long necks are perfectly suited for reaching deep into the water to access submerged vegetation. While aquatic plants make up the majority of their diet, they may occasionally feed on small invertebrates or insects, particularly during the breeding season when extra protein is required. Black swans are known for their strong monogamous pair bonds. Once paired, they typically stay together for life. They engage in elaborate courtship displays, which involve synchronized swimming and mutual preening. Their calls include a range of sounds, from bugle-like honks to softer whistles and grunts. They use these vocalizations to communicate with their mates and offspring, as well as to signal distress or warn intruders.